everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is an unboxing of my palette through the totes. I think it's number 4. So we're going to get into this little small tote, and if I have time, because I don't want to make this video as long as the last one, I have a small box to go through as well. This time I'm not going to spend as much time on like the charging cords and stuff, because we don't want to go, we don't need to see any of that. They're just charging cords. You've seen one, you've seen them all, right? Okay, if you're new here, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And if you see me over on Rumble, give me a rumble and follow, and I'd really appreciate that. So let's get down here to this little tote and see what I got in this one. I hope I got some different things, not all those charger cords. So let's get down here and take a look. Okay, can y'all see? Okay. Now, up first is we got a Mystere Studio Humidifier right there. Let's see. Well, looks to be all here. And I don't think it was, well, maybe it was used. Looks kind of dirty inside, but I can clean it. It's got everything in here, the charger, the paperwork, and everything. So this is something I will be checking out. Looks to be used, so, but you can do a little bit of cleaning and that will make a difference. So put that over there. And I'm supposed to be counting, right? Let me turn my phone sound down. Where's my counter? Here it is. Okay, that is number 1. Okay, and here we have a blood pressure monitor. I hope it works. And hopefully I can sell it on eBay. Can't sell those darn thermometers on eBay though. Wish I could. Well, it seems to everything still be packaged. Doesn't seem like it's been taken out. This seems really good. So this is good. I like it when I can find stuff like this. And of course this is from Walgreens. I think everything is from Walgreens, and mostly Walgreens. Let me make sure of my time. Okie dokie. Okay, we got a instant heat curling iron. Box is kind of grossy feeling. Yuck. I don't know what got on this, but yeah. Well, this still seems to be in its package. Yep, it's still in good shape. It's just the box is nasty. Hopefully I can clean it up and straighten it up. But that's good. Glad to be seeing some good stuff. Whoops. Well, I can't get that back in there right now. I'll wait till later, so I can put it in there right. And that cord. We're not gonna look at those. Okay. Oh, here's some more ear pods. Let's see. There we go. Looks like it has has the instructions, but not the charging cord. And the ear pods are in there. I can always add a a charger to that. So yeah, we're not doing that either. Put that over in the donation area. And here we have a Selfie Light. Yep, seems to be in there. Caught my phone before it went to sleep. Well, here's some more of those headphones. We don't need to take them out. We've seen them already, haven't we? Oh. Here's another one of those clocks. That has that where you can see stuff. Make sure it's all in here. Well, this one's packaged better. Looks like it's all there. Just have to see if it's workable. So, we've seen this one yesterday. I remember that. Another stupid cord. Another car charging and charger thing. Another charger. And some more charger. Oh my God, I don't like having all these chargers. Okay, here we have a Accu check guide. And it's still got its paperwork and everything. And I hope everything is there. I'll have to check it out more thoroughly. Has that little pricker thing, I guess. And it's not been opened. So we might have a winner here. Just have to straighten up the box. Has its booklet. Instructions and stuff, so I just have to straighten up the box. But that's what it is. There we go. More chargers. And a Bluetooth FM transmitter. Yep. And it's there. We'll check that out. More charging. Charger, charging cord, and a power bank. Yep, right there it is. Check that out, see if that works. More charging cords, more charging cords, charging cords, well, this one here is a little different. This is, I don't even think it's in here. Let's see. Oh, doesn't sound like it's in here. Could be wrong. No, it's in there. It's just so light. But that's what that is. That's a little different of a charging cord thing. Oh, here's that wandering phone. Finally found it to go with the box. And we have another charging cord. Goes in this. There we go. Missing phone, found it. I knew I'd put it in one of these things. Here's another one of those, well, it's an empty box. That's what was in there. Another charging cord. Yeah, I've got enough of those. I don't know what I'm going to do with all those darn charging cords. Here's another phone from Verizon. It's in there. I just have to straighten it up. So I'll get that. That makes 2 phones. And here's another one of them, TENS Therapy Pain Relief. This one here's got like a little electrical, like remote or something. Well, it still has the batteries in its spot. Doesn't look like it's been used. Oops. Yep, it's got stuff in it. It still has the batteries back there. So I'll have to check this out and see if it's been tried to be used. I wouldn't think so if the batteries are still intact unless they use other batteries. But I'll check it out. Okay. What is this? This is a mystery bag. What's in here? Oh, it's another one of them Accu checks, but it looks like it's missing something. And so I don't know. It's got the little prickers and everything in there, but I don't know what goes in that spot. But that's what I got in this. I've got a few of these little bags around. Maybe I'll see what's all in there. So, and here's another thermometer. More cords. More cords. This belongs to a thermometer. Here's another one of those black bags. Oh, yeah, this one's complete, except for the little sticky things, but it has that thing right here. So check that out. I was wondering what these were when I was putting them in the totes. Now I know. What's this? Some more of these gummy plus earplugs. I've checked that out. And we got a HD light. Says damaged, do not return to shelf. Okay. It's not been opened. Whoa. This box has been smashed. Let's see. I think it was one of them Accu check things. It's a freestyle. Well, it has everything in it. Instructions. Just the box is a little damaged, but nothing I can't fix. I think I counted this. I did. If not, I counted it twice. Here's another Conair ceramic curling iron. I think we've seen this in one of the other ones, if not yesterday. I'm not sure. But it looks to be in good condition. I didn't think it was used. There we go. Just have to straighten up the box a bit. There's that. put that over there with the other one. Oh, these charging cords. Let's get all these out of the way. There's a charging cord. Oh no, these are earbuds. And there's some earbuds in here too. So that is okay. There's another power bank. And another cord. We all know what they look like. Okay, now we're getting to the better things. Here's another blood pressure monitor. Well, it looks like it's all there. It don't look like it's been used for anything. Still has the paper and stuff like that on there. You can see, yeah, right here. So, hopefully this is a winner. And another one of those Vicks things. I think we had, well, it's missing the top. It's missing the top. So, I don't think this is sellable without the top. So, we will put this to the side. And here we have an iron. It's a complete home iron. Oh, what did I do with my thingy? Oh, here it is. Oh, they tape this good. There we go. Now it was used because it has a rubber band around the cord, so it was used. So we'll see if it works and if it's sellable. Oh, and here's another one. The box is damaged. And it was used, but we'll see if they work. Guru, oh, I have some of the oils that this can go with. I recognize the name. Doesn't look like it's been used. And yep, the cord and everything's still in there. So maybe it's not been used. Okay. So this is empty. I think I have time to do the box over here. So let me get some of this stuff back in here. I want to get through these pallets and stuff so I can start testing things and listing things. Not to. See, any room to put the other stuff on here from this box over here. Don't know if that goes with that one. No, this must go with another thermometer somewhere. That's empty. I don't know what I'm going to do with all those cords. Okay, there's this one. And here's a box. Here we go. Can you see the box? There we go. Now let's see what we have in here. Now I had 46 in that one, and I don't have a pen or anything. Oh well, I'll just add it all together. Okay, here's a double ceramic Conair. I think we looked at one of these the other day. We're running into some duplicates here. Yeah, this looks used because the cord is all messed up. So it is used. So we'll see if that works. Here's some more earbuds. Air Vibe Sport. Pretty nice. There we go. Some more lights. And here's another one of those blood pressure things. So I'm not going to open it because we already opened one up. So we know what they look like. And here's some more earbuds. Oh, they look good. Oh, nice. We'll see about those. Here is one of those, one of those thermometers that you can check somebody's temperature from afar. No contact thermometer. I don't even think it was open. I don't even think it was open, guys. Great deal. Probably won't be able to sell it on eBay though. There's more earbuds. There's another type of a thermometer. Looks like it has two different kinds there. Two different tops. And more cords. There's some mini film, Fujifilm. That's good. It's all in there. I remember seeing another pack of these. I'm not sure. Here is a UVC sanitizer portable case. Guess it'll sanitize just about anything. Looks to be sealed, but I'll open it up and check it out. It came from TJ Maxx. Looks like it sanitizes earbuds and everything. Well, here we go. have another heating pad. Here is a Philips Sonicare 4100 Protective Clean electric toothbrush. Yeah. I can sell it without the toothbrush because the toothbrush has been open. So we don't know if it's been used or not, so we can't do that. But I have sold one without the toothbrush before. Just have to see if it works. So that's that. Okay, here's another one of them Verizon prepaid phones. This is a different type. There. So that's another one. And here is an infrared forehead thermometer. You stick it on your head and check your temperature. Must need some batteries. Has the instructions. This is what that looks like. It's a nice thermometer. Senjoy is the brand. No, these darn earrings. Let's see. Oh, what is this? It's a Sunbeam Flex Temp Hot Cold Joint Wrap. Ooh, elbows and knees. Oh, my mother-in-law could use this. She's having a problem with her knee right now. That's heavy. What is this? There's some wireless earbuds. Not really been open but on one side, but that's what those are. They don't look like they're very expensive. There's another one of them Accu checks. Let's see if everything's in here. Yep, everything's in there. I hope I can sell these on eBay. This box has seen better days. Okay, here's a lock that we've been trying to open it. We can't get it to open. Some more earbuds. And some more earbuds. There seem to be all there. Don't know if I can sell these because they look too much like the Apple earpods. And we have some more. Some more of those earpods, or earbuds, or whatever you want to call them. Well, come on, get in here. Doesn't want to go. Oh, I know why. This thing was in the way. Okay. Well, here's some more of them little Twinkle Lights. We'll see if those work. They look like they've been gotten into. This is supposed to be a phone charger. We'll see if those work. I've never had good luck with these things working. Some more Christmas lights. Yay! Here is, oh, it's one of those other curling irons that we seen in, I think my first video. but I think it's been used. And I can't get that back in there right, but that's what that is. Where it makes waves. And here is another sanitizer thing. Looks to be good. That thing's in the way. But you know, it's still like wrapped up. And it still has the cord and everything in there, if you can see. So we'll check that out. That's what that looks like. So we'll check that out. Can't get it in there too well. It has to be straightened out. Oh, here's another one of them lights. We seen this yesterday, so it takes batteries, big batteries, I noticed. So we'll check that out, see if that's usable. What is this? This is a relief wrap. Goes on your neck, shoulders, and back. And oh, it massages too. So we'll check that out. Okay, another one of the blood pressure things. This is a cuff one. And it's kind of messed up in the box, so it must have been taken out. I think we have one more box to go through, so we'll do that video possibly tomorrow. Yeah, it's one of them cup ones. It still has the thing on there, so maybe somebody just took it out of the box and looked at it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, somebody was looking at it. They were trying to figure it out. Because the instruction booklet was different. But I will check it out and see if it works. Last thing in the box is another blood pressure monitor. And it looks to be new. So that's a good thing. Alright. Between the tote, this little tote here that I have, and this box, which is empty, we came up with 75 items. So, let me stand up here and talk to you guys. So I have one more big box to go through. We'll go through that. I'll do a video tomorrow. That'll be the last of my series. This is series 4 of unboxing of one small tote and one small box. And then we have a box the size from Wholesale Ninja that you get like 200 items in. So that won't take me too long to go through. So that'll probably be kind of a short video. So I will be checking on this stuff and seeing if it all works. And all the charging cords, I'll probably just bundle up and sell them as a bundle. Anything like that, because I got a lot of them. So thank you for watching, stopping by and watching me unbox my little palette in pieces, in parts. I hope a lot of this stuff works and I can sell it on eBay. If not, I'll put it over on Mercari or Facebook Marketplace. So, thank you all for watching me. Please give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. And if you see me over on Rumble, give me a rumble and a follow, because I need more followers over there. And I'll leave all that information down in the description where you can find me there. And I will see you guys on the next, the last unboxing of the palette. And then it's checking things and listing, and I'm going to be very busy. But I won't forget about you guys. I will still make my videos. So everybody stay tuned. I will see you all later. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, like, and share, and rumble, and follow. All right. See y'all later. Bye.